A disc extrusion is a serious spinal condition where the inner material of a spinal disc leaks through a tear in its outer layer, often pressing on nearby nerves. This can cause pain, numbness, and limited mobility, especially in the lower back or neck. While surgery might seem like the only solution, Paragon Health Group specializes in non-surgical disc extrusion treatment. Their process starts with a thorough clinical evaluation, using advanced imaging and neurological assessments to determine the severity and cause of your condition. The goal is to relieve pressure on affected nerves, restore healthy spinal alignment, and help you return to your normal lifestyle without aggressive surgery. Paragon Health Group's non-surgical treatments may include therapeutic nerve blocks, spinal decompression therapy, chiropractic adjustments, epidural steroid injections, and targeted physical therapy. These methods work together to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support the body's natural healing. Non-surgical care offers rapid recovery, minimal downtime, and allows patients to maintain mobility during treatment. Every patient receives a customized plan tailored to their unique needs. If you're experiencing persistent back or neck pain, contact Paragon Health Group to explore advanced, minimally invasive treatments and take your first step toward a pain-free, active future.